from the drawings we create or the designs we create, we can make photorealistic images which we can then put into portfolios and the such. Now, my toothbrush holder design here has a few what we call work features on them. So work features are lines and things that have been created in the process of making the design, but are not necessarily features that I want to appear in my sort of final images that I would be presenting to a client. So the lines you can see here, the first thing I'm going to do is show you how you remove those. So I go to Display Settings, Visual Style, and you can see that the visual style I've currently got selected is with these visible edges. Okay, those black lines you can see. So if I just go up here and click on Shaded, it just removes all of those edges and makes it look a lot more realistic. Now the other thing which you can see appearing in mine is this axis with these drawing planes. So I can go into Display Settings, Object Visibility, and select all work features. So I can remove any of those work features. Now, with your design, you may have all or some or no, no sort of work features showing, but I'm just showing you, if those sort of things do appear, you can make them disappear. Okay, so we've created this this situation where we've got something which will look nice for an image to put into our portfolio. So we then go up to the File menu, we click File, Capture Image. Now this isn't the only way to do it, but it is for an introduction to Fusion. It's kind of the easiest way to do it. So you can see I've selected a transparent background, and I'm going to select OK here. Now I could change current document size. I could change that to all sorts of different things here, but to start with, document window size is fine. Now you can see that it's automatically given it a name, the PNG file type, and it's automatically saving it to my projects folder here. I'm also saving a copy to my computer and to the desktop, okay, and that will become important a bit later on. And you can play around, you can click on the box here and you can decide exactly where you want to save those things, maybe to your downloads folder or the such. But I just automatically save mine to desktop initially, and we click on Save. Now, because I've already done this a couple of times today, it's telling me that I've already created the file. That's fine. I'm just going to overwrite it, and that will give me that image. Now, what I'm then going to do is I'm going to go into the Word document I've been creating to work on this Year 7 Term 4 folder for computer-aided design. And I'm just going to put my cursor in here somewhere, and then I'm going to insert a picture from File, and it automatically goes to my desktop, and you can see there's the toothbrush holder file there for me. So I'm just going to then insert that into my design. Now from here I can then edit it, picture format, crop. I can edit that. I can change how I want it to appear. I might create it in such a way that the text wraps around it. So I can then go up into here and put it into position there, or maybe make it go over the object, who knows. But that is a design image which looks photorealistic, but as we know from the videos you've been following, it's entirely computer generated. Okay, once you're happy with that, have a go at creating a photorealistic image of your design. Save it to your user area, then attach it or put it into a portfolio. Okay, go do it.